Hi guys, this is an Applet tutorial developed using Java Eclipse. So what I'm going to do now is to take you guys straight into Java Eclipse, and we put one of these Applet together. So let's do that now guys. Welcome to Eclipse tutorial. I'll be developing an application here using Applet. Let's click on the OK button. Okay, now that Eclipse is ready, I'm going to click on File, New, Java Project, and let's give this a name. I will call it, let's go for Applet line. Applet line. There. Let's just copy that and click on Finish. Okay, let's go to the Package Explorer. Right inside the Package Explorer, we should be able to see Applet line. Right click on it, and let's select New and click on the class, so that we can then use that to develop our applet. So that will be the name of my project, and click on Finish. There we go, that's Applet line. The first thing I like to do is to import as follows. Let's import Java dot abstract windows tools. There we go, and there we go guys. I will also import the following. Now the next thing I like to do is right inside here, I'm going to enter extends, let's say Java Applet there, and right in here let's say public void initialize as follows. So let me set the size to be 1360 by 800. That is the size of my application. The next thing I want to do is the background. That's a background color dot. Well, now in this case let's just go for, yeah, maybe that. There we go. Great. No, let's change that. Dots, maybe something else. Maybe light gray. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to set it for that. There. So that is that taken care of. The next thing I like to do now is, let me come in here and declare the following. And right here that'll be the paint there, and in here let's say graphic G, and right in here the first thing I like to do now that the development area is ready for me, I would then like to use a for loop. So let's use a for loop there. First thing, delete that. For, let's say int j equals 1 and j is less than and equals to 20. Then let's say j plus plus. Okay, so there are a lot of tutorials out there on how to use the for loop, so I won't bother myself going through that. I just want to use it to generate colors. So now to generate my color, I'm going to go for G, which is this very one, G dot set color, and enter the following arguments. But in this case I'm going to say new color, and declare an integer. Let let me make that a mass dot random. No, try that again. Mass dot random. Okay, and the random color that I want is going to be within 0 and okay, let's say within 0 and 255, or make that 26, and in here, comma, declare another int, close that, just copy all of this instead of rewriting the whole thing, copy and just paste it right here, there, and another one, let's paste another one there, guys. Okay, so what I want to do now with the random colors that I've generated is I'm going to ask the graphic to generate a 3D rectangle, and this is going to be, let's enter all of these arguments. X-axis, make that 10, y-axis, make that 10, and the width in this case I'm going to make that 100, and as for the height, let's make that 700, and raise, okay, let's say, okay, then in that case let's change that to true, right there. That's vertical lines, sort of like a rectangle drawn. So if I run it, let's run it and you guys see what I'm talking about. There we go, that's what we've just put together. So if I run it again, you see the color will definitely change. You see that that's the effect of the random colors. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy this and increase it by maybe 10, no, increase that by maybe 120. Yeah, okay, first thing first, let's create another one for horizontal, and in the case of the horizontal I will change the following. Let's change this one here to 1340 by 100 and make that true as well. So if I run it, this is what you guys will see. There we go, you can see the blue line here and the horizontal there. So let's run it again so that you can see it properly. You see that? So the next thing I want to do is another line and another vertical line. So let's go for that. Just gonna copy those two and change them around. Copy. Okay, before that, just that I don't get confused, let me enter vertical there, vertical, and in here I'm going to enter horizontal. There, horizontal line and vertical line. So we can now copy it, copy and paste it right underneath here, and let's change the coordinates. So the next coordinate that I'm going to change is, let's change this to 130, right, and change this 01. The next one I'm going to change that to 120. Okay, let's run it and see. There we go, you see that, guys? So that's how easy it is for you to create something similar, like a math sort of. So I'm going to now speed that up and get back to you guys. Let's copy all of these and then speed it up. Alright guys, this is how it all looks now. I've speed it all up, so have a good look at the lines of codes and take it down. Guess you can all see that. So depend on the resolution of your own system. So this is my system, and and that's why I set the resolution to 1360 by 800. So that's the resolution of my laptop. Depending on you guys, you can do whatever you like with it. And that is it. Those are the lines of code, taking it from the top. Those are the libraries imported, and just take it from there, bring it down. I guess you can see it all. Just copy it and modify it. The choice is yours. Okay guys, with that I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, so let's run it and you see that's how it looks like now. So with that I'm gonna say bye for now.